short video of us cleaning these gutters. It's real simple. This is what can happen at your house too by hiring us to suck your gutters clean. First, he's going to pull the hose across the yard so that he can get into the right position to start sucking. We have over 200 feet, so we can fit around all houses. And if we need more, we can add it. He starts the engine and goes and hooks up his poles to the hose so he can start sucking. Now this right here is real time. It's sucking this fast. We suck up mud, grit, leaves, sticks, seeds, sweet gumballs, toys. It sucks everything up. And if it doesn't, if it gets stuck at the end, we just pull it down and take it off. It's really simple. And we can reach all the way up to 4 stories. So our poles disconnect and we have up to 10 to 12 poles on a truck. So we can reach as high as we need to. We can even see the debris flying through our hoses and into the tank on the back of our truck where we take it away from your home instead of blowing it and making a mess. This is our gutter vacuum truck. Now he's pulling to the back of the house to get the back gutters too. Now he's shutting off the engine and he's going to start reeling up his hose because he is done. Give us a call. We'd love to suck your gutters clean too.